Okay, in this video I would like to show you how you can mix and match the URLs of your sitemap to get a video export from Google Analytics. Because I realized that stakeholders, they're usually quite familiar with the sitemaps, and I would like to get some numbers behind. First thing which you have to prepare is that you have to include a sitemap on your website, and you simply copy and paste those hyperlinks into Excel. And then you go and paste that little snippet of code, which I will give to you, under Entwickler Tools Visual Basics. Einfügen, you say you have a new module, yes, paste it in. And if you included that little code snippet, you can use that formula which I just wrote in here, which means you can go now into the file and you say, I would like to get here the address from J1. So take care that you don't jump on the side. Here you just say you want to get the address from J3. From that moment on, you have it. You see that now there will appear your URL of the hyperlink, and you can simply drag this formula down till the last page of your sitemap. And as soon as you did that, you see now that every time there appears the correct URL. So to go on further, you don't want the values to hidden somehow in a formula. You just want to paste it with Ctrl+C and insert it as proper values. Now you can also delete that column because you don't need it anymore. You now have the proper values of the URLs. And now what we want to do is that we want to tell Excel, please have a look for that URL. Go and look it up here in this huge realm with all the numbers from Google Analytics and give me back the values for the exact page. First, what we have to prepare here is we have to replace that dash by the whole URL. So I could just go quickly in here and we'll do that to prepare the search. So you see now it replaced every URL and now there are correct URLs. And then I will give you another formula in Excel. So now in this column L, I want to have the page clicks. And to get this page click, I will use a formula which will tell Excel the following. The first value before the semicolon is the URL you're looking for. So in this case, I will tell Excel, please have a look at the URL in K3 and look it up in the following realm. The dollar is needed so that you can fix the realm, and now it will, as you can see, it will start from A2, and I simply know it. You can also look it up by just drag it to the very end. It goes down to age 5001. And I want Excel to return the second value. This is the first value, the second value of the whole column, which means these are the page clicks. And as soon as I do that, you see that Excel returns me the value. So you see now, this is the URL unsere Ziele, which by chance I just found on the same row. Your unsere Ziele, there you will find the value 220,250. So this formula is working. What you might also want to get is the average page on time, which means it's in column form. And if you want to get that value back, you simply take that formula, go in here, paste the formula again, and then you say it's now in the fourth row, the value I'm interested in. And as soon as you will do that, oh, sorry, I mixed the numbers. I will have it in the value row 4. As soon as you did that, you get exactly the same value back, which was written in there. So 20,250 and average time 40 seconds and 33. Okay, as soon as you're prepared for that, Maybe I will write that in, time on page. And as soon as you're prepared for that, you simply highlight those two numbers and you drag the formula down till the end. And now you see that Excel will count on each and everything and has a look if there's the right value there. Sometimes you get a non-valid, but in this case, this is completely normal since it is just a URL going to another shop. So this won't disturb me any much. And sometimes I simply look up the numbers or sometimes no. What you have to format is also that the number, due to my playings before with the numbers, I now get some kind of funny page numbers like 42,001/3, which cannot be true, of course, but if you multiply it with 7 or so, yes, of course, it can be, or divided by 7 more or less. Okay, so and what I now do as a service is that I copy and paste those sitemap into a fresh Excel sheet. And what is really important, you want to copy and paste it as exact values, not with formulas. And then I usually insert a kind of an ID. As soon as you prepared your ID, you simply number all your pages so that you are able to go back to the other state again as soon as you sorted it. And then I like to get a filter inside. Once you get a filter, you can simply filter your results. For example, if you're interested in all your non-valid numbers or all your best going pages, or what I usually like to do is I want to highlight all the pages which get under 10,000 clicks per year or something like that. Then you can simply highlight it like that. We need to reformat that. Reformat that again, so that there are no funny numbers going in. So, and once you're done and you highlighted the parts you're interested in, then you can simply go back to your ID and sort it in the range which was before or corresponding to your sitemap. And then now you have in the range of your site, in the hierarchy of your sitemap, you can identify exactly the pages where you think there is a problem. And what I usually like to do is that I meet with stakeholders and we talk just about those pages where I think there are some related problems. And I think with this formula, which is maybe a bit complicating in the beginning, but in the end, I can swear to you, you will get that out of nothing, like in like 20 minutes in the end. It's a really handy method to show your different stakeholders where they have problems in the actual hierarchy of their website. Yes, this was it for my side. I hope you enjoyed the video and would look forward to hear something from you. Thank you and goodbye.